Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, an in-depth guide to online Python code formatting with Black. Introduction. In the world of Python programming, adhering to a consistent coding style is crucial for readability and maintainability. Code formatters help achieve this goal by automatically formatting your code according to a set of predefined rules. One popular Python code formatter is Black. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Black Online to format Python code effortlessly. Step 1. Understanding Black. Black is an opinionated code formatter that aims to provide a consistent and readable code style. It reformats your Python code according to its strict guidelines, eliminating debates over style choices. Black's philosophy is that code should be formatted consistently, and it achieves this by applying a set of default rules without any configuration needed. Step 2. Using the online Black formatter. To use Black Online, follow these steps. Visit the official Black website, https://black.vercel.app. You will see a simple interface with a text area where you can input your Python code. Copy and paste your Python code into the text area. Click the Format Code button. The formatted code will be displayed below the button. You can copy the formatted code and use it in your project. Step 3. Code example. Let's take a simple Python script as an example and use Black Online to format it. Original Python code. Formatted code using Black. Conclusion. Using an online Python code formatter like Black can save you time and ensure that your code adheres to a consistent style. The online Black formatter provides a quick and convenient way to format your Python code without the need for any installations or configurations. Incorporating tools like Black into your workflow can lead to cleaner, more readable code and contribute to a more productive development process. ChatGPT.